Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Hey guys, I am back out here again. If y'all seen in my last video, I just came out here just for a little while to see if I could catch anything, and I caught that big bass. I'm gonna see if I can come out here and catch something else. Well, you know what I'm after. Let me go ahead and say what I'm after. Let's see if we can get another bass or two or three out of here, guys. So first cast, got to be a bit, 5 or 6 pounds. Oh, look at them. This place is definitely hard, not hard to find, but guess what? Using the silver and black back, just got on a real nice one, man. I got to check the weight on this guy. All right, let's get this big girl back in the water. Tell us, girl, look at that belly. Let's get her back in the water. Goodbye, girl. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Oh, there she go. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, got one. Got something. Let's see, am I recording? I can tell if I'm recording or not. Hopefully I'm recording. Come here, buddy, come here. Yes! Alright guys, bass number 2. Let's get him back in the water safe and sound. How about that? Oh yeah, thanks buddy. That's what I'm talking about right there.